Hey again, everybody. It's Karen Yeager with Quad Cities Canine and Chunk. And I realized that we hadn't gotten Chunky's Novice Trick Dog Masters title. So we got his Novice Trick Dog. That was 15 novice tricks. And the Masters, I believe, is 30 novice tricks. So we're going to go ahead and go for that. Just so you guys know, you can just submit one whole video with the 30 tricks, and that would count for both your novice title and your novice masters. You do need to register the novice first, and then the novice masters. You can't get the novice masters without paying for the novice. So we're going to give it a go, and I'm just trying to be helpful to the gal that evaluates my videos. So even though we already got our novice title, I'm going to go ahead and just do 30 plus tricks so that she doesn't have to go back and look up what tricks we've already done and been signed off for. So it just seems a lot easier for me. To me, it's all pretty easy stuff. So let's get started. All right, we're going to do some loose leash walking to start with. Chunk heel. This room is 30 feet from one end to the other. And I believe for this trick, they want you to go 60 feet. So I'm just going to go an extra little bit just to make sure they know that it was a good 60 feet. Good boy, Chunk. Good boy! Sit. Wait. Chunky, come front. Yes, good boy. I'm going to give him a reward for that. Good boy, he hasn't done that one in a long time. Focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, good boy, Chunky. Down. Stand. Yes, good boy. Wait, or stay, I'm sorry. Chunk, come. Yes, good job. Good boy, over here. Sit, down. Sit, down. Sit, down. Very good, Chunky Monkey. Very good. Oh yeah, he's all about the treats. Good job, Chunkies. Okay, for this next one, we're going to be doing 3 hand signals. So hand signals only, no verbal. So I'm not turning my mic off. It's still on. I'm just kind of going to try to face the camera a little bit so you can see that I'm not using my voice at all. And for this, I think I'll ask him to sit, down, and stand by hand signal. So let me get him reset a little bit. Over here, Chunk. Yes, good boy. Leave it. Leave it. For 10, leave it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Focus. All right, Chunky, pause up. That's a good boy. Stay. Good boy. Off. Yes. Chunky, kiss. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Touch. Yes. You didn't have to lick. Touch. Yes. And this is what I use for the Target sticks. I get these at like the dollar store or Walmart at the end of summer. They're about $1 a piece, but they go down to $0.25. So I buy like 50 of them at a time. They're just a really fantastic tool for training dogs. So let's see if we can get them to touch the end of the stick. Sit. Wait. I'm trying to move so that you can see it better. Wait. Touch. Yeah. You don't have to eat it, Chunky. Just touch it. Good boy. Touch. That's good. No, I guess he only likes it in my right hand. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Good touch. Good job, Chunky. Ready? Go get it. Okay, Chunky, bring it here. Come on, good boy. Yes. Good boy. Ready? Go get it. Chunky, come. Drop it. Yes, good boy. Good job, Chunk. Oh, Chunk, what is this? Okay, tug. Oh, tug. Tug. Good boy, tug. Oh, yes, that's a good tug. Tug. Oh, good tug. Okay, all yours. Good job, Chug. Sit. Wait. Catch. Good catch. You did it. Yay, Chunky. That might be the first time ever. Let's push it and see if we can get him to do it again. Good job. Sit. Okay, wait. Good catch, Chunk. Okay, Chunk, throw it back to me. Ready? Throw it back. That was pretty good. Wait. Get it. Good job, Chunky. But you gotta do it high so it'll go over the net. Okay, try again. Wait. Okay, last one, I promise. Ready, set, get it. Good job. All right, have your ball, go crazy. And now we have the muffin tin game. And I don't believe I've ever played this with Chunk, but he has a pretty darn good nose. So there is one tiny piece of chicken under each of the balls. So the game is that he'll move the ball out of the way and get the chicken and learn to use his nose a little better, or maybe his paw. We'll see what he prefers. Come over here, Chunky. Sit. Wait. Good boy, get it. Yeah, get it, Chunk. Good boy. You get another one? So I could make it easier for him and put my foot on the tin. Chunky, get it. Good boy. But I think he's doing pretty well, and I want him to figure it out himself. Good boy, Chunk, get the last one. Oh, yes, good boy, all done. Good job. You want the ball now? Okay. Chunky, place. Yes, good boy. Okay, Chunky, up. Oh, that's wobbly, isn't it? Good job, Chunk. Okay, Chunky, up. Get up there. Wow. His stability is just amazing for what a clumsy clown he is. Good job, Chunk. Yes. Place. Good boy, wait. Chunky, place. Good boy. We'll set those a little farther apart. Chunk, come. Place. Chunky, place. Good boy. Okay, and this next one is going to be the hoop jump. So he's got to jump through the hoop. Pretty sure he'll do that. Wait. Chunky, jump. Yes, good boy. Chunky, place. Yes, good job. Good boy. Smack it. Smack it. Yes, good boy. Okay, smack it a little louder. Good boy. Ready? Smack it. Good job. Smack it. Oh, twice. Okay. All right, that's good. Okay, so for this one, we're going to do the bar jump. I hope it's okay that I'm just using the teeter board. Wait there. Oh, wait. No, come here. Sit. Stay. Chunky, jump. Yes, good job. I was too lazy to set up our rally jump. Let's do that one more time. Jump. Very good. Beautiful, Chunky. You're a good boy. Down. Good. Crawl. 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 Okay, so I'm sure you can guess that this is going to be the ride in a wagon trick. So it's a cart. It's a moving thing with 4 wheels, so that counts just fine with them. All right, Chunky, up here. Sit. Come on, all the way up. Good boy, sit. Stay. Good, stay. Stay. Good boy. Yay! Stay. Stay. That's good. That's a good boy. That's a good boy right there. All done. Kill. Stay. Very good. Stay. Come here, Chunky. Get in here. Sit. Chunk, come. Good boy, Chunk. Here, tunnel. Good boy. You want to go back through it? Good boy. You want to do it again? Sure. You are such a nut job. Oh my gosh. Here. Ready? Tunnel. Good boy, Chunky. All right. So that concludes our Novice Trick Dog Masters submission. I hope you enjoyed it. Chunk is quite a character, and I just love working with him. So, all right, everybody, have a great one. If you decide you want to go for one of these Trick Dog titles, let me know. They're just super fun. Have a great day.